What's up guys, my name is Michael and in this video I'm gonna show you how to export images with a white or black border directly from Capture One without Photoshop. Let's do it. Now this is something that has been considered as impossible. Now to be honest, this functionality doesn't come from Capture One. And I don't know why they didn't include that function in their program, but it bothered me, so I found a solution. Now first of all, let me show you how it works. I created a export recipe and I'm gonna export 3 images right now. I'll switch over to the Finder so you can see that after a few seconds the images will start to appear, and these images have a white border just straight away without me having to do anything else than just exporting. And that's the way it's supposed to be, right? Because we don't want to go into another application and add the border. So in order to achieve that, I found out that Capture One's recipes for exporting images have the option to open an image with some application after it's processed. And that's exactly where I'm adding a program. To be honest, I have made multiple applications, and each of these applications creates a different border in a different color. And that's all. So what I have to do is select an image, select the proper recipe, export, wait 2 or 3 seconds, and I will get the image with, in this case, a white border. And I mean, the images look so much nicer with a white or black frame or border or whatever you want to call it. It's very necessary to have an easy process to do that. Now, the good thing is that I made these applications available for you, and you can get them in my web shop for a very fair price. Now, you will find the link in the video description, and you will also find a tutorial on how to install and use these applications in Capture One. Now, this is not a plugin for Capture One. It's a separate application which will be called by Capture One in order to add a frame to your just exported images if you like. So you can add borders in different sizes and different colors. There's one thing though, this will only work for Mac users. It's not working for Windows. So at least some of you will be able to enjoy this process, hopefully, and that's all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a look at my Capture One border tool. The link is, as I told you, in the description under this video. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, leave some comments, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.